Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. This is day, I don't know, of review. Kung RN na tanong. Pili na. Wow.
Day.
Random vlog.
Wow. Lunch.
Walang intro naman sa video ko kung nakapasar na kami as an RN. Long nga ba kung wala dito ka vlog ka? One take.
Wow.
At tumulo ang lawha. Kailangan ang atake.
Nagay to ay kami din.
Oo. Nag-smile ka?
Wala.
Nag-smile ka para may love
Isa
kasi
smile
mo.
ko na wala. Tapos timing nga matulog ko dito sila. Tapos matulog ko sa...
Uy!
Hindi wala.
Ulala!
Kaga.
I-insert kong video nga hindi nakalot yung iya siya nag
Tapos ginawa ako siya, ang kwarta, mag-imbaka mo lang sa speaker. Ang pinaglahan niya kasi ang balay-balay, ginabalay ka na.
Hi. Late na naman guys. Okay. Enter na. Bye. See you next time.
Lagi namin.
Late ko. Dili ko RN ako.
Bakit ba?
Dili pa ni ma-upload ko RN ako. Hi RN Sal. Sorry kayo. Yan eh. Dili na mag-upload.
95 days na lang before.
That's my day.
Top the board is na Flowers, thank you.
Alam mo, pula na yung mahihi. Oo, pula na yung mahihi. Nakita ka ng ano ba? Ano ba na nagkaon? Bakit nga color green. Tapos hindi mo kaiin na nga. Iwan ko.
Oo eh. No, kaya healthy teaching sa tabang. Healthy teaching rejected. I will not follow. Hashtag going not follow, be? Manatawa na sa YouTube ko nga.
Hello.
Ano ba message mo sa cellphone ko?
Ano? Isang ka Fox ba?
You did a good job.
Oo.
Congrats.
Sige ba?
Pilabong nila. Hindi, pero kaya sila tuwa ko. Mga di nakatake. Kulit-kulit na ito. Hi, Derek! Kanina po kasama si Marlon. Sino si Marlon?
What's that?
Hindi ko sure kung alam sa chat ng sitwasyon sa mga.
Wala. Wala sa gato.
Ano ka namin? Sa tunga ko ganyan.
Wala may naliko.
Wala niyo magkailan daw video. YouTube na sa YouTube na ko. Wala ko magkailan daw YouTube.
Huwag ginalantaw ko.
Ano ba yung YouTube ko ba? Ano ba yung entry ko na ba?
Ano ta?
Ay, ano ba?
Alam mo, picture na ba ginalantaw?
Ha? Ay, ay, vlog. Ay, vlog. Ano ba bago sa vlog?
You're a vlogger, yes.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Are you now?
Sa Mr. DIY.
Secret ba ito ba?
Wow, pang thumbnail.
Biya mo na biya. Na.
Thumbnail.
Thumbnail na eh.
Hi guys, so today is just another day of me being late. Try lang. Okay. Should I hagdan na lang? Or should I not? Hi guys, so today's a random day. Ginawa na sila.
Difference lang to. Ako na dahil ang for today's criminal case na sa kasi beer na sa hindi pa nag-shape lang to nila ang division of privacy sa ano ba?
Is she learning? Is she learning?
Sa
Yes.
question.
Ano?
That's our future lecturer.
Ang answer, ang nga, di ba lang perjury? Kaya ako nga, nag-criminal case.
What can you say about this controversy?
Very good.
What kasi? And then you have this random robot. Random food lang. So, nakita naman sa ba na?
Pwede na?
Intentional na lang. Huwag kang naman lagi. Hindi ang baga, doctor. Intentional na.
Ang mga ba-intentional, nag-like ka, kabalo ka na, pero nag-like ka, intentional na. Mga baka-intentional, negligent ka. O sila, pag may ano siya, uy, nahulog sa unintentional. O towards an unintentional.
Civil. Yung towards civil.
Depende ka rin.
Ano namin na
Saan side ka? Kaya ano lang pinaka-
First, let me know who is the plaintiff. Guys, who is the plaintiff? In the court, order. Satisburger.
Tingnan mo ka doon mo tuloy. Kasi na future, ginabasa nila.
Ay, sa nabilin.
Wake up na lang.
Wow.
Perjury.
Taas ang kamay ng attorney ni Miss Erica
Ay,
Camargo.
agad mo na.
Ang attorney ni Miss Kawatas sa'yo.
Nasaan ang representative ni Miss Ethel Hama?
Ako po.
Sige, manumpa na kayo.
I believe that the power is in the hands of the beholder.
Sige nga, yung komite.
Just get one.
And pass?
No. Oh, yung gusto ko ng tuli. Ano masasabi mo?
I want to go
Sino to?
home. I don't know. I just want to go home.
Hi guys, this is the part 2 of this. Oh, everything. This is the part 2. Which side are you on?
Namak.
Isa pa.
Amo na may ano, may mastermind, di ba? Amo na may mansalon.
May menstruation ka na? Ay, hindi sila nila.
That's Rhea. Si Rhea nag-commence na.
Good for her. Congrats. Alam mo, sa naka-crime, dapat kaya na mastermind.
Wala kami naialabot sa intention after.
Basta intentional sa mag...
Meanwhile,
Ano, gusto mo part 2? Yan naman, hindi sa mga.
Wala ko yan ng eskwela nursing para mag-abogada. No comment.
Ano ba itong tayo SF sa Likito?
Sa Lokiton.
The patch speaks for itself.
Wait, mind your own business. May ina na.
May pinag-concourse eh. Ano na?
May muna din pa sa puwet. Wala ba siya? Wala ang recommendation ng mga isa. Lakad sa. Kaya naging na-aim sa kapag daw sa spread.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
Hey guys, sa next video na ni. Hindi ko tanay. Hindi ko kaya kayo yung video. Pero ano, ang realization ko sa mga start. Feeling ko behind na ako pakama. Like, hindi siya yung nando, okay, sino hindi behind ah. Hindi siya muna. Feeling ko hindi behind din kaya. May, akos may mga niya, hindi ka behind, ano ka, ano ka na. The girl behind the girl. It's hard. I mean, hindi ko siya hard, hindi ko paniwag. Pero feeling ko, not giving it my all. Kaya kaya na. Kapag you say to someone, ay, hindi ko lagi na tayo mali na sa kanya. It says, never do what is enough. Always do more than necessary. And I think I'm not even giving it, you know, justice. Kasi wala akong balik sa enough. Feeling ko, gahatag lang ko bare minimum. Bare minimum. Bare, ano tawag? Bare minimum. Feeling ko bare minimum ako. Kulbaan ako, bro. Kulbaan ako. Bro, dungadaan pa ako lang yung tao lang. Basta, ang point kasi kulbaan ako. Pero happy ko. Ay, nakabakal ko tissue. Nabala to lang. 63 girl, 4 na girl. Apat na. Pero man na naglalagay box mo. Ay, kulbaan ako. Okay man lang, di ko makafeel ko ngayon. Pero hindi siya okay. Kung pwede kami ko na i-feel. Pwede na lang ano niya, intervention. Buti ko nursing care plan, pero this time Elizabeth care plan. Or PNLE Elizabeth. Or an Elizabeth PNLE care plan. What? It's not gonna be care plan. PNLE plan. PNLE plan. What is my goal? What if? What if? What if? What if? I'm happy about this. I might not need it now, but I might need it one day. One day I'll know I'll need it. But I like this one. Ito lang. Very convenient. Yes, I like. Ay, nasubukan ko nag-machine gana. Gusto ko mabibig, pero wala akong tulak. Wala akong luwang ng tulak. Everyday ko man ka-feel. Pero gusto ko makapasar sa ulit kay. Kung luya ko, hindi ko makapasar. Ah, it's come. Hindi ko dati siya sa Tumahan ako. Sabi ko mga 80 days na lang. I mean, 83 days na lang. Pero hindi ko siyempre kasi ko lang. Ang 1 to 3 sa November 1 to 3. Kasi siyempre, relax ako sa mga kain. Kaya wala akong fishing now. I can do this. Ganit ko lumahod ko. Pero may maiban ko ang sister na. I'm gonna give some to my brother. I like this. I like this really so much. I like this so much. So they overcome by your presence, Lord. Holy Spirit, you are here. Let us rejoice. Sorry, ako di ka lang sa kachat ka lang. Bye. Thank you for everything. OMG, this That's it. Sabi natin na, gusto natin ba? I was thinking, like, tourism is on November 4 and 5 in Iloilo City. And yeah, that's it. Thank you, Lord, that I'm able to reach this point in my life.
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try it. Receive.
I don't know. Should I pay in Gcash? Okay, Gcash. Okay, bye guys. I'm gonna pay na. I'm gonna see you once we go to PRC office in Robinson's College. Bye all. Live, love, and always remember that God is our anchor. That's all. Bye.
Sure, nagid niya.
May mga padaw vloggers, no?
Ano mo sabi mo na?
There's no turning back.
Aking buhay.
Ano no?
Ito na ang simula ng pagbabago.
Wow! Okay, BRB. Hello guys. Intro na.
As usual, kay
Ang magasto.
59 niya ako nila, lalabot na silos.
Ano mo sasabi mo na dalawa yung drinks mo?
Okay lang.
Okay lang. Ari na isa. Dala kayo may madaya dala. Wow!
Dahil wala ka na lang na gano'n kayo, hindi mo ko niyo. Kaya may kapin ako.
Wala ka nagambal. Wala ka nagambal. Kagina ko.
Wala ka nagkabagagin na ka. This is it.
Excited ako na wag. Nila number ko ah. The winner.
The winner, kita dito.
70.59. Ito na talaga to. They post mo na sa YouTube dahil.
Pasa na kayo, edit niya.
Oh my God! Pagka-reaction pala, matyaga doon pala doon nagdaog sa saan. Ako nigli 200 sa ilaga ni Ma.
Sa 268.
Ako na siya 268 yaw.
Gusto mo rin naman. Mas mahal ka niya, Aliyah, kasi sa ulo.
Dumakas tayo pa rin. Iset. Tandaya.
Nang hi, ano nang adlaw sa kong? Ilan na ka days?
43.
43 na lang?
New hair.
Ano ba? Sa vlog?
Daya, ano pala
Hi, vlog! Hi! Amo na ba yan?
Eh! Bagsak.
Shampoo,
Shampoo reveal. Guys, nagamit ito sa Gali Sunsilk. Ano ba sabi mo?
Ano?
Naisa ka na din after and siya na next nga, no, ni Gerald Anderson.
Hi guys. So this is just a random video, so you can study with me as I go through menopausal stage. Chat lang. So I'm trying to learn Parkland formula. So I'm actually happy because I have a format in my head already on how to solve for mean arterial pressure, which is the map. So SBP plus DBP raised to the power of 2. So yung DBP, multiply mo siya sa 2. And then, saka mo siya i-add sa SBP. So kapag na-add mo na siya, let's say, yung BP ng pasyente mo is 150/90. So yung 150, yun yung SBP mo, yun yung systolic blood pressure mo. Then yung 90, yun yung diastolic blood pressure mo. So yung 90, i-multiply mo siya into 2. So kapag multiply mo siya into 2, it would give you 180. So yung 180, add mo siya sa 150 ng SBP. Once you add it together, you'll have 330. So yung 330, i-divide mo siya sa 3, which is a given number. Given na yun. So, constant na yun. So, pagkatapos nun, i-divide mo siya, 330 divided by 3, meron kang 110. So, 110, yun yung map mo. So, kapag 110, napakataas na yun. Kasi yung normal natin na map is 70 to 100. Kapag sobrang baba ng map mo, meaning may problema ka sa cardiac, yung pag-deliver ng blood to the rest of the body is not enough. So, may insufficiency nangyayari. So, it's either yung mga other organs mo for perfusion, so magkakaroon ng problem yung patient. And then, kapag sobrang naman sa 100, diba, 70 to 100 yun. Kapag nag-100, or I mean, nag-100 and above, meaning yung pasyente natin parang may hypertension na siya. So, di na maganda. So, yeah. Diba, kanina kapag nagsasabi ako, nakapigat ako. Akala nyo lang yun parang like I'm doing mathematics in my head while I'm closing my eyes. But actually, I memorized an example I just made prior to this. So, you might think I'm a math genius, but I'm actually not. So, I actually made an example earlier. So, while I was like closing my eyes, I was trying to remember the things I wrote down before I even started this camera. That's how fake I am. Why? Oh my gosh, sabi ko, Emma, so alam yung phone ko. Okay, let's see kung ano yung sinasabi ng phone ko at the moment. It's saying, brain rest, but actually I'm just starting kasi I went number 2. Kakatapos ko lang. So, we're talking rest pa. So, ayun, gusto ko naman aralan yung Parkland formula. So, I will make a new video once I get ko na. And I'm hoping I'm gonna make a video today as well. Kasi, kailan pa ako makapagets nito kapag board exam na? Chase, okay, BRB. Gets ko muna, and then I will explain it in the video so that I'm teaching you by making sure I already know it. Chase. Right. Ayan. Ayusin ko nga. Hirap naman mag-vlog, eh. Hirap naman yung vlogger, no? Sige, ayan. So, this video talaga, be, para talaga to i-update to yung kung gaano ako nahihirapan. Last example. Last example, please. Diba? Lagyan natin ng PC sa GPT para mag-gets niya na kailangan talaga natin ng tulong. Ganun. Bakit di exam to? Kanina, do this right now. I'm like struggling talaga. Tapos nag-loading ka pa. I don't have time for that. Yung grabe. Pero alam niyo ba, share ko lang kasi dati napakahina ko talaga sa math. Not just Tina, buong talaga ako. Buong talaga ako sa math, promise. Kung alam mo paano ko nakagraduate ng elementary kasi nung elementary ako, hindi naman ako marunong mag-divide. Oh my gosh! Baka makita ko ng teacher ko. Parang totoo, di ako talaga marunong mag-divide. Naalala ko, di ako marunong mag-divide. Di ako marunong mag-subtract. Like, nung nag-college na ako, natuto ako kasi nagtuturo ako sa ate ko. Hello, whoever you are, you know who you are. Guys, promise, di ako marunong talaga. Ngayon, tulungin mo ako, anything related sa math. I can answer you as fast as I can possibly answer. Pero it's not a guarantee na tama ha. I can just answer you so quick. Pero not sure if tama yun. Like, for example, 1 plus 1 equals 11. Jeez, ang corny. Di na gumagamit ang ChatGPT, be. Iba pala, be. Pero yung update ko pa lang naman ito sa Parkland, guys. Nag-gets ko na siya na. Yung formula ng Parkland, yung given niya is 4 ml, given na yun. And then, i-multiply mo yung 4 ml sa given na body weight sa situation na ibibigay sa'yo. Like, for example, yung weight ng pasyente is 45 kilograms. Yung 45 kilograms, yung multiply mo sa 4. So, 222. 200 ng 45 times 4 is, tama ba yung mathematics ko? 45 times 4 equals, ay, baba ko ba naman? Times 4. Ay, 180 lang pala. Can I do this right? Again, 45. Ah, okay, ayan pala ako. Ayan pala, 5 pala, 4 pala sila. 5, 10, 15, 20, 4 lang pala, 4. 0. Ay, hindi pala, 24. 5, 10, 15, 20, 2, 0. 4 times 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 16. 17, 18, 81, 80. Ay, 180 lang pala, baba ko naman sa kape. Oo, alam namin lahat yan. Pag yung teacher ko, checks. So, ayan. So, yung given na 4 ml, i-multiply mo siya sa kilograms ng pasyente na given. And then, once multiply mo na yan, i-multiply mo siya sa total body mass, TBSA, total body surface area, na nakasunog. Like, for example, buong anterior, ano niya, like for example, buong anterior trunk niya. Yung total ng buong anterior trunk mo is 18. So, yung 180, i-multiply mo siya sa nasunod na part, which is 18. So, 180 divided times 18. I can do this. 180 times 18. You have, yung total TBSA mo, ay hindi pa TBSA. Yung total ng Parkland mo is 3,240. So, sa first 8 hours, mag-ibigay mo lang yung half. Yun yung solution na kailangan mo i-replace na ibigay sa pasyente. So, in the first 8 hours, i-divide mo muna ito sa 2 guys. So, i-divide mo siya sa 2. So, sa first 1 hour, magbibigay ka ng 1,620. And kapag naubos na yan, sa next 16 hours na susunod, yan na yung other half na niya, which is also yun din, ibibigay mo din siya. So, kailangan mo paubusan. Patay mo sa laptop ko, eh. Malupat ba to? Yun na nga. So, yun na, gets mo na. Ako medyo gets ko. Ikaw, hindi ko lang sure. Dapat mag-gets mo din yun kasi nga, we're all in this together, be. One take na lang to. Kahiya na talaga ako yung ayoko na mag-aaral ng ganito. Sabi nga nila, this is just a phase. So, you have to face it. Sorry, yan lang. Corny, bye.
RGO Pagkawalan Manila! Kakasa! Matata! Anong diskarte mo?
If you ever get a chance to watch this video, I don't know when. Maybe by the time you watch this, you're already editing because you're already past. Or the other way around. I don't know. You're not doing the work. How dare you pray alone and not do the work? It's embarrassing. Anyways, actually last night, earthquake really shocked me because I was like studying. I was in my NP nursing practice 2. I was answering these practice questions about maternal and child, and I was on my maybe 19th situation because I was answering 20 situations with 5 items in every situation. So I was on my 19th. I was almost 200 items right. So while I was answering it, obviously it was already maybe 10ish. So I was already sleepy. No, I wasn't sleepy actually. I felt like I needed sugar in my brain because I wasn't eating. I was just eating some snacks. I didn't eat. I only had breakfast last yesterday. So obviously because my chair is like an office chair, it moves. So when I felt that it moved a bit, even if I wasn't really moving, I thought that maybe it just moved on its own. And then I looked around, refreshed my eyes. Then I saw that all of my things were shaking. Am I overthinking it right now? Yeah, all of my things were shaking. So I immediately said, Jean, Jean. So I went downstairs, we moved outside, and then the earthquake, if you timed it, it wouldn't even reach a minute, but it felt so long that you feel like, that I felt like it was more than 5 minutes. But if you time it, I wouldn't even reach maybe 30 seconds, I don't know. But it was 5 point something magnitude. It was already strong. I felt like it was super strong. And I was seeing posts of other places like the Bogo City in Cebu. They experienced the earthquake at 7 point something magnitude, and there were a lot of breaks, there were a lot of infrastructures that were damaged. So, and also there were a lot of people who died because of the earthquake. So I hope and pray that their souls rest in peace in the loving presence of God. But yeah, so I was saying, today is October 1. It's like I only have a month to prepare. That's what it should be like. I have a month to prepare for the board exam because the board exam is on November 4 and November 5. And obviously on November 1, 2, 3, you wouldn't really study super hard like what you're supposed to be, what I'm supposed to be doing right now, which I am not doing yet. Actually, I have a lot of notes. But you know what? I don't study them. Sorry, I'm sorry. I feel like I make notes, I rewrite some of my notes, but I don't really read them again. I watch YouTube stuff and I don't know really what my learning style is. I'm just trying to survive. So it's an update. I'm probably gonna see this video in, I don't know, maybe by the time I already passed and I'm already editing my video of my post on YouTube. Wow, how futuristic. But anyway, I have a lot of breakouts. But better than last time. I wasn't really filming much because my face was, felt like it was quaking. Try lang. Felt like it's this infrastructure that went down. Just kidding. Okay, anyway, that's all. That's all I'm gonna say. Thank you for keeping up with me. Keeping up with, I should change my name in YouTube. Keeping up with Ellie.
Ano ba last day? Sa sis, hindi na galing. Hindi matalik tayo para no.
Wala din may makuko.
Tandaan nyo na kayo din na sa galing.